How to fix no sound on YouTube. So if you want to fix no sound on your YouTube problem, then the first thing you need to do is just go with the settings, which is here on the bottom right, or the control center. And on the control center, make sure that your volume is high. Once your volume is high right here, then you need to check it on your browser. So open up your browser and then you need to go with your YouTube and now check if your problem still persists. So if you still don't have the sound to your video on your YouTube, then what you need to do is just go with the bottom left of your video, and here you will have a mute option. So if you've muted the video, then make sure that you've unmuted it again. So unmute it and your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go with your keyboard, and under your keyboard you will have a mute option under your F9 or F10. So you just need to simply press on it, press the button of mute. Once you press the button, then here you will get this kind of interface on the bottom of your screen, and after that your problem will be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem again, then you just need to simply restart your device. Go with restart, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix no sound on your YouTube, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.